In this demonstration, we're going to be showing you hybrid search using MongoDB Atlas. Hybrid search is used in a wide range of applications to enhance the relevance of results, whether it's in e-commerce where users might be searching for very specific products with keywords or have more broad category queries that are better for semantic search, or in a RAG architecture with a chatbot where users might have all kinds of different questions and queries. What we're trying to do is cover the broadest range of types of queries our users might have. So what is hybrid search? What is this strategy that people are trying to use? It can be a range of things, but at its most basic, it's about using lexical or keyword-based retrieval, where you're searching your database, your engine, for very specific results that contain the words in the query, and then combining that with semantic search, where you'll be using vector embeddings and vector search. And in this video, we're going to be showing you later on the sort of technical implementation in Atlas using the new rankFusion and scoreFusion stages. Rank and scoreFusion are mechanisms for combining lexical and vector search. With rankFusion, you use the search ranking from each retrieval method. So you do a text search and you do a vector search, and you take the rank or position of each result, and you combine them using the reciprocal of the rank as the basis for the score. With scoreFusion, we take into account the score that each result receives from the different retrieval methods, and then rank based on a combination of those scores. What we're trying to do here is improve the relevance for the largest range of queries possible that our users might put in. So to illustrate how this works, we are going to run a couple of queries over a movies dataset, and we're going to show how we can use reciprocal rankFusion to improve the overall relevancy for both of these queries. So we'll start with full text search, and we'll do a search for ghost in the shell. And we can see that with keyword search, we get pretty good results. The first result is obviously very good. We also get these anime-related results mixed in from our movies database. If we switch over to vector search, we still get ghost in the shell in the third result, but we're missing some of those anime-related movies. So it works very well for text search, not quite as well for vector search. We could probably improve that. We do another query. Scientists hunt ghosts in New York. In vector search, we get Ghostbusters in the top. This is a very good hit for what we're looking for, as well as other movies in here. If we switch over to text search for this query, we don't get such good matches for that concept. So in this case, vector search is working well, text search is not working as well. So if we look at reciprocal rankFusion for this query, scientists hunt ghosts in New York, you know these two results are not right at the top, but they're near the top. And they're represented, which they weren't in full text search before. So reciprocal rankFusion is able to get us decent relevance for this query. So how does it handle ghosts in the shell? Well, for ghost in the shell, we again get a relevant result near the top, and we're still getting those anime-related movies from the database in the result set as well. So what this demonstrates is, although the hybrid search approach doesn't make both queries the best, overall, across these two queries, you get better relevance, which is what we're trying to achieve here. So how does this work? If I show the query here, you can see this works with a simple rankFusion stage, where we send our vector pipeline and then our full text pipeline as well. You can see our vector search here using the vector search stage with our query vector, and then our full text pipeline, which is a more sophisticated matching technique where we're using phrase matches and things like that as well. And we're just combining these two approaches in the rankFusion stage and then applying some weighting to them as well. So for your implementation, you might find that actually, weighting vector results more, or maybe weighting text results more, is what you need for your implementation. And you can do that in the rankFusion stage. Using scoreFusion, we can also combine results, but this time using the search scores. Certain parameters can be adjusted, how the scores should be normalized within each result set, for example, and how the ranking should be done. So if we switch our score normalized function from sigmoid to min-max, our ghost in the shell result pops to the top, and we can rank based on the average score across lexical and vector searches for a given movie, or the sum, or simply take the maximum. And as with rankFusion, the query is simply a scoreFusion stage with the two pipelines used as inputs. Down here, you can see those parameters being applied. In fact, any type of mathematical expression could be used to combine scores. You can also use other retrieval mechanisms as input pipelines, geospatial queries, for example. To learn more about native hybrid search with MongoDB, you can go to mongodb.com and check out the documentation. So go have a play and happy searching.